Today we're testing that horrible little handheld, and hopefully they're outside. It sounds awful. Tango 21 ZX2D copy.
Yeah, I'm just switching the radio on while Chippie walked out. Yeah, I can receive.
You don't talk too close to that thing, it sounds awful. Just tell me what model. Is it the, was it something 002 or something?
Jesan KT002.
Roger, you've got wind noise and it's very windy out there. Yes, that'll do. So, are you at the concrete yet? Okay, so they're currently 50 yards away on that handheld that unfortunately you're barely audible. You better get down the road a bit more and you know, cover it with your jacket as you did do earlier. Over.
Okay, we're just trying to get out of the wind a bit.
Roger, that's audible though, getting out of the wind a bit, and presumably you just passed the concrete. Over.
Yes, I'm just going in between the two sets of trees, just trying to stop this across the umbrella.
Okay, Roger, and that it's fluctuating between S5 and S7, so the signal's still there. Okay, over.
Okay, we'll walk on a little bit forward and try and step out the window.
Yes, Roger, I know it's a bit dodgy. The maximum point I would want you to go to, if it's still receivable, it would be the triangle of grass just over the level crossing, you know, where we can kind of turn round over.
Okay, yeah, we're just walking down to say between the trees. It's cold out here.
Yep, that's now fluctuating 3.5, 4 round there. Over. Tango 21 ZX2. Roger, got you. Tango 21 ZX2, you were getting to the stage where I'd had to adjust the squelch. It was such a low signal. So, I don't know whether I can still read you. Over. Roger, so you should be just a bit before Lols, I reckon. Over. Okay, Roger on that. Well, I think it'll be readable down to the triangle of grass in the village. Over. Well, in actual fact, it's +3, but with the wind chill factor, you're probably right. Over.
Tango 21 ZX2 on this very windy day. Over.
Unfortunately, you get down the road a bit more. You know, cover it with your jacket if you did.
Okay.
Roger, got you going over the crossing.
Of trees just
Okay, Roger, that is fluctuating between S5 and S7 with the signal. Okay, over.
okay, we'll walk on a little bit further.
Yes, Roger, I know it's a bit dodgy.
Yeah, we're just over the crossing. So there's a bit better range than we thought. Just trying to stop out the wind. It is nice and cold. Not quite got down to the triangle. So yeah, limit of its range.
Okay, you're virtually unreadable now. You've gone out of range.
Okay, you're virtually unreadable now. You've gone out of range. So wherever you are, if you do your bit of video and or whatever you're doing, and then you'll need to come back towards me. Over.
Yeah, we'd say we've just walked back to the crossing, and hopefully you can hear me and not too much wind noise. So yeah, not even 1/8 of a mile range on it.
No, well, there you go. That's just kind of what you expect. So, yeah, it's as dire as it appeared to be. What a waste of money.
Yes, and with no squelch adjustment or anything on there as well, definitely.
The redeeming feature of the realistic 1003, it may not have any squelch, but it's got a 3-mile range, despite it only being 50 milliwatts. So sometimes you can overlook some of the problems, but with that awful pasted on label, and then the whole thing's absolutely awful.
Well, we haven't got one, so we've tested it and we know it's awful. And okay, we're probably on the way back because we're getting cold holding radios and cameras.
Well, now being able to advance the squelch, so hopefully you're somewhere just past Lowell.
No, we're before Lowell's because you couldn't hear us over the crossing, so we've had to come back so you could actually hear us.
Ah, Roger, okay, got you, yeah. Yes, pretty dire.
Okay, I'm going to sign off at that point. We're just getting too cold stood out here instead of being in a nice warm car. So, yeah, ZX2 clear.
Okay, Tango 21 out.
Well, now being able to advance the squelch, so hopefully you're somewhere just past Lowell's. Okay, Tango 21 out. Well, I estimate they got 1/8 of a mile on that, and okay, so there's 27-mile-an-hour wind today, and he was having to shield it with his coat, and hopefully we'll be able to edit the two videos together. So it's as dreadful as we thought it would be, and as I said before on this radio, I hate to be judgmental, but it's absolutely rubbish, isn't it, that set? It has been serviced. It isn't faulty, it's doing what it's supposed to do, but it is a dreadful radio. So I hope you enjoyed the demonstration between a Rotel 230, which we know is absolutely fine and dandy, and that dreadful handheld. Thank you for watching.